We're heading out on the road for the first time in 3 months. Dawson needs major wins now, so there's only certain shows we can go to where there's enough Malamutes where we can get a potential major. We're going to Indianapolis this weekend and Michigan next weekend. And it's a balmy 60 degrees out right now. I barely need this sweater. But by Friday, they're expecting anywhere between 6 to 30 inches of snow. So we've got our snow shovel packed in the car, we've got our emergency stuff packed in the car, we've got our sleeping bags packed in the car. So off we go for our next adventure.
Strong winter storm moving through between Wednesday and Thursday.
64 degrees now, but it won't be for long. On our way to Indianapolis and Snowmageddon. Wednesday morning in Indianapolis. We're settled into our little extended stay suite. They're predicting 12 inches of snow tomorrow, but right now it's just pouring down rain. And since we left early, I have to work. So, getting myself set up. What's out there? What are you defending us from? What are you defending us from? It's an umbrella, Dawson. It's turned to freezing rain, and we're supposed to get 12 inches of snow tomorrow. See it kind of freezing up on the car already. So we will see how this looks in the morning. Morning walks, potty time. We'll see what the snow's like. You can see the snow there. Come on, buddy, let's go. The car's not too terribly icy.
Darn, oh darn, yeah, poo circle.
It's the circle of poo.
Go potty, go poo first.
Oh, brr. Oh.
Is requiring dog owners to make sure you bring your pet inside. Temperature controlled building when the temperature outside hits 20 degrees or below.
Hi, Kata. Look at her. Kata, you're supposed to be going potty for your daddy. She's like, snow. It was worth braving the winter storm for our first time at the Indy Winter Classic Dog Show. The show is massive and it's a Malamute specialty, so there are dozens of Alaskan Malamutes there. There are many beautiful dogs at the show, including a dog that was in the same class as Dawson. However, this dog was a European champion and had come over and was showing for the first time in the United States. We nicknamed him the Italian Stallion. He was an absolutely beautiful dog, and needless to say, he cleaned up the entire weekend. searching hard for a place that's actually open today, we found Drake's. Drake's Beer, Burgers, Sushi, and Barbecue. And it looks like a pretty cool place. And they got a big fire. Oh, we should have sat by the fire. Look at the fire. That looks awesome.
I've done it before.
I'm not leaving. I'm just gonna stay here all afternoon. Okay, we got everybody's coming to meet the dogs today. Yep.
Hi, good.
So this is Kata. So here we are at Drake's, and we brought the staff out to meet the dogs.
Dog lovers over here.
Yeah, that's awesome.
Beer, burgers, sushi, and pub.
Yep.
No, don't you? She does. She wants to play. Play, aren't we? Playtime. No. Come on, guys. Holy crap. Hey, Kay. Hey, Kay.
We call, his nickname is Panda Bear. We call him Panda Puppy because he kind of looks like it with his face.
It is. No, guy. Oh my goodness. So cute.
They both want to play. I know. That's it. Just want to play. No.
Yeah, go ahead.
You can see my eyes, maybe. So cute. I'm so happy to have met you guys.
Yeah.
Well, we hope to see you guys over the weekend while you're still
You
here.
absolutely will. I am coming back for that shrimp and,
yeah,
and cheese. And I'm actually going to, if you find me just sleeping by your fire.
Well, it's well, thank you so much.
Yeah, just leave them there. We'll pick them up.
Yeah. Are you filming or picturing?
Filming.
Yeah, they've gone potty and they're ready to play. No, you guys, you can't play. I'm
Play. No. Hey, Dawson.
here.
Darwin.
Here's
Hey.
Pooh Big.
I got no.
You guys. I don't know if I'm still recording or not. Alexa, stop recording. Or GoPro, stop recording. Justin.
Get an opinion on this guy's tail, but he's staying. We'll see about this.
Guys, sit there. Hi. Oh, look at that. Good sit. Good sit. I did this and she sat down. We're back at Drake's and I've got their special.
The salmon.
It's a shrimp grilled cheese and it's every bit as good as it looks. We found a dog park right across the street from the fire department. Let these guys play a little bit. Darwin's like, Darwin, there you go. There they go. Here goes all the grooming. Darwin! Darwin, treat! Darwin! Darwin, treat! Good boys. Dustin. On for, oops. This is how you have friends over for dinner when you're in a 300-foot, square foot, whatever it is, hotel room. Oh, that was not him.
There we go.
Welcome to our living room, which is also our bedroom, and our kitchen, and the kennel.
Okay, there we go. Right. Hi, babies.
They're glad to have company.
His both testicles finally descended at
Oh, this isn't going on YouTube.
at 11 months.
Oh, this Mad Dog's really good.
So they were waiting.
It was more the testicle conversation.
I was like, I saw that light and I'm like, oh crap.
Just say hi, guys. Let's say this real quick, and then I'll stop recording, and we can go back to talking about testicles. According to the Apple Watch, it's just 3 outside. Remote starting the car is a wonderful thing on a 3-degree day. Then, of course, you have to come outside and videotape it.
Our dear friend Laura and her daughter Jordan happened to be in Indianapolis at the same time we were for our junior hockey game. We decided to go ahead and catch the game and root Jordan on. Let me tell you, those girls sure could play.
Look who we ran into in Indianapolis.
This is so cool.
And we're going to have to see Jordan out there playing some hockey.
Yeah, let's go blue.
And put her on YouTube.
Liberty.
Dogs. Let's go Liberty, right?
Yeah, let's go
Liberty. Okay.
What's your number?
35.
So we are leaving Indianapolis. I am turning north on Interstate 69 and we are heading to our next stop of Novi, Michigan. We're going to work there for the week, and there is a weight pull and a dog show next weekend with all our friends from MWAM again. So here we go.